I'm here with
Joseph.
All right, look, the question of the day is, who's the finest in the school?
None of y'all. Y'all all ugly. I have a man. I'm married. Make sure you see the ring. Yeah.
And not on period.
In the middle of the hallway and just start screaming. Just going Super Saiyan and shit.
Hell no.
Bro, just do it,
I ain't
bro.
doing that shit.
Bro, just do it. Take the mic.
You tripping, bro. Okay, we gonna count to 3. We gonna scream. You ready?
Alright, yeah. 3, 2,
1. Ah!
I'm here with
Cherry Berry.
What does your gun sound like? Alright, look. What does your gun sound like?
Got silencer on it.
What does your gun sound like?
Pew pew pew.
I'm here with
Bro,
I'm here with
Daryl, bro.
Alright, what does your gun sound like?
Jesus Christ.
I'm here with
C5.
Alright, look, the question of the day is, what does your gun sound like?
That don't sound like.
Yeah.
Bah!
I'm here with
Damo.
What does your gun sound like?
Bow.
Alright, I'm here with
Keep dragging.
Alright, look, the question of the day is, what does your gun sound like? Get up! Here with
Max.
What does your gun sound like? Fuck! What does your gun sound like?
Bah.
Here with
Mar.
I'm here with
AR.
Alright, what does your gun sound like?
Get up!
You said what?
Get up!
What your gun sound like? I'm here with
Patrick.
What does your gun sound like? Gah! I'm here with
Caleb.
What does your gun sound like?
Gra-ta-ta-ta.
You said what?
Gra-ta-ta-ta.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Alright, look, the question of the day is, what does your gun sound like? I'm here with
Saya.
I'm here with Alright, look, the question of the day is, what does your gun sound like?
Get up.
What kind of shit is that?
What does your gun sound like?
I'm just not gonna do it.
I'm here with
Max, you know what I'm
the question of the day is, what your gun sound like? The question of the day is, what does your gun sound like?
What does my gun sound like?
Yeah.
Yo. What does my gun sound like?
I'm here with
Relub.
I'm here with
Ollie.
The question of the day is, what does your gun sound like?
Pow, pow.
What does your gun sound like? What does your gun sound like?
Hold on.
Jack Krelk.
I'm here with
Connor.
I'm here with
JP.
Alright, look, the question of the day is, what does your gun sound like? What does your gun sound like?
Gra, gra.
What does yours sound like?
My shit sound like boom, boom.
Alright, look, I'm here with
Jerry.
I'm here with
Ami.
Alright, look, the question of the day is, what does your gun sound like?
Oh.
Okay, what does your gun sound like?
Go ahead, Ami.
Look, I'm here with
BK, man. BK.
Alright, look, the question of the day is,
Mr. Dawson. That's my dog right here, Mr. Dawson. You know, the best history teacher in the building. You know what I'm saying? Glee. Alright, come on.
look, the question of the day is, the question of the day is, what does your gun sound like?
That Drake. What's that Drake?
I'm here with
Leslie.
I'm here with
Annika.
I'm here with
Ash.
Alright, look, the question of the day is, what does your gun sound like?
What is it gonna say?
Pew pew.
Blam, blam.
Look, I'm here with
Sal.
look, the question of the day is, what does your gun sound like? Alright, what does your gun sound like?
Get up. Get up.
Alright, look, the question of the day is, what does your gun sound like?
Get up. Get up.
What does your gun sound like?
Pew, pew.
What about you?
Get up.
Answer the question.
See
I'm here with.
Mrs. Sellers.
Okay, look, the question of the day is, what's the best part about being a counselor at Woodbridge High School?
Definitely the students who cooperate and give back to our school community and that we're able to make connections with.
Can I get a no like fuck?
All right, look, I'm here with.
Is this like some 4K shit?
No, I'm here with.
Leela?
All right, look, the question of the day is, finest guy in Woodbridge.
Okay.
Dylan.
Who's that? Yo, Dylan, come here. Let's interview. So, what do you think? What do you think about her?
She's bad.
She's bad.
Yeah.
Would you crack that?
No answer. No answer.
Damn, he would crack that.
No answer.
All right, look. So when y'all making it official though?
Never.
Never. So if I show her this clip, how you feel?
Show her.
All right, but if I show her this clip, you won't believe what he just said. You wanna know? He
Is it gonna make me mad?
he said he don't really want nothing with you.
Okay.
How you feel about that?
I don't care.
She said she don't care, bro.
Look at the woman. Look at them.
Yo, go give her a hug, bro. Go apologize, bro. I'm here with
Cam.
I'm here with
Gina.
All right, look, the question of the day is, what does your gun sound like?
I don't know. Five. I don't know.
You said what?
Five.
What does your gun sound like?
Bow, bow.
All right, I'm here with.
Shit, Mar.
I'm here with.
Cam.
I'm here with.
Kayla.
All right, look, the question of the day is, what does your gun sound like?